Hi, this is Gavin with Walker Tech Solutions. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to do a backup and a restore out of Medisoft. So in Medisoft, to do a backup, go to File and then Backup Data. And you'll want to make sure that everyone is out of Medisoft. If you get this error about the EMD's MSL service, just click yes to continue. Then you would click find to find a location on your computer to do the backup to. And if you don't specify a file name, then and click Start Backup, then Medisoft will generate a new file name for you. Otherwise, you can specify a file name. So just click Start Backup to begin the backup. And then click OK when the backup is finished. And you can see the file name here that was generated is MW today's date and then .mdk. And we'll click Close. Now to do a restore, like say you want to go to a new computer, then install Medisoft on that computer, and then we would do a new practice on that computer to restore the data into. So give it a practice name and then a folder name where the practice data will reside. You can click Browse, or just type in the name. And then we would click Create to create a new folder. And Medisoft will tell you that the folder does not exist. Do you want to create it? Click Yes. And then you have to put something in the practice name, but it can just be anything, because whenever we restore the data, it's going to fill in all this information. Now we go to File and Restore, and then Restore Data. You get a warning that you're about to override all the files in the practice. This is the new blank database that we just created, so that is fine. Click OK. And here we get this error about the EMD's MSL service. Just click Yes to continue again. And then we go and find the backup. You'll notice that it remembers the last location we did a backup to, and so it's selecting that location to do the restore. So I can go ahead and select that file there and then click Start Restore. Then it says you're about to restore, you click OK. And then click OK again. And then we can click Close. So if I go to practice information here, log in. file and then practice information. You can see that it filled in the information, and you can go in and look at, there's a list of patients. So that is the process of backing up and restoring data in Medisoft. This is Gavin with Walker Tech Solutions.